yo. All right, so yeah, let's give it a go. As I said, on today's menu, let's just open up. Here is my Figma. So what are we going to do? We have pretty much everything set up except this progress bar. We have everything set up. Now we're going to focus on the views here, right? We have. How are we all, dude? Perfect. You know, I was a bit tired before we started streaming, but I think I'm getting hyped up. This is going to be a cool stream.
Yeah, this is a healing process for me and Lazar, basically.
Yeah, this is how we unwind from our daily work.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah. So right now we have the views hard-coded here, right? We don't want that. You know, that's lying. That's cheating. So we're going to try to persist them. And I don't have that in the design, but at the bottom, we'll just add a little like icon, right? Or I don't know, or here. I don't know. We'll see. You know, that'll be just an immediate decision when it comes to that. So as I mentioned, we are going to do PlanetScale with Prisma, right? So what is PlanetScale? Let me show you guys. PlanetScale is a super cool thing. It's still in beta, right? But it's the real deal nowadays. It's the hype. So we are going to get on the hype train, right? It's a database for developers, the only serverless database platform, and it's super cool. You don't have to do any Docker stuff, you know,
Yep.
You don't need to do any Docker stuff, any crazy, you know, containerization and orchestration or whatnot. This thing has a free pricing package. So let me show you guys. There we go. Developer beta free, right? Start building on the world's most advanced serverless database platform completely free. So you got 3 databases. You got 10 gigs of storage. You got 100 million rows reading per month and a 10 million rows writing per database, right? So that means you got 330 million because you have 3 databases, right?
Yeah.
So what's cool about this is it hosts your database. It gives you the connection string and you're good to go, man. You no servers, no Docker containers or Postgres or I don't know. Just click get started and you're done. And what's cool about this, it's built on top of Vitess. Let me find that little thingy. It is built on top of Vitess. There we go. And there we go. So yeah, what Vitess is, I'm not exactly sure. I'm not really a DB administrator, but it's like a platform that allows you to scale your Taylor. Thanks for the follow, man.
Welcome, Taylor.
So yeah, basically what Vitess is a platform that works on top of MySQL, and you can scale incredibly, like crazy scaling. Joss, thanks for follow. Wow, this is amazing. Right, and also Slack, Square, GitHub, YouTube, you name it. I mean,
yeah.
Should we trust these guys? I think we should trust these guys.
Yeah,
right?
The biggest guys in the business.
Exactly. So we are going to use this. Awesome. Right. So let's go back. And what am I doing, man? And we actually see. I have the app open here. God damn. Okay, let's just click sign in. So I have my Lazar-web database here. What's also cool about it, you can do branches, right? So you have your main branch, production, or your development branch, which you can test and even just, set it on fire. The production branch will remain the same, right? Untouched. I'm not sure how to work with this. This is my first interaction with PlanetScale. So I think it's going to be fun.
Yeah, we're both gonna learn, and everybody in the audience as well.
And we are up for the challenge as well. Right, so up until some point, like recently, yeah, big shout out to Aaron McAdam.
Yeah,
this
gotta
dude,
love the dude.
Yeah, we love this dude. So what am I saying? I was saying something, I forgot. Damn. All right, I'm still not, hyped up.
Yeah.
But yeah, god damn, what was I saying? Right, up until recently, there was not. It wasn't really able to, actually connect PlanetScale with Prisma. And we know what Prisma is, right? Prisma.io, was it IO? Yeah, I think it was IO.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's your ORM, right? It generates TypeScript stuff for you. You hook it up. You develop your schema in Prisma.
Yep.
Artboy, yeah. And basically that's how it works, right? You have your data source here. You have your generator, the client, right? And then you have your modals. So what Prisma does is it reads out all of your modals, right? For example, here's a post. It has a title, content, published, author ID. There's also relation, right? So we're working with MySQL here, right? There's always relations. It builds out an SQL for you, and it uses the DB and client to actually actually create and update and delete and, do that in SQL. So you don't have to write SQL, right? It gives you an API, which is beautiful.
Yep.
Import DB from, I don't know, db.users.find. There you go. It writes that SQL query for you. But that's what Prisma is. So we are going to use Prisma, right, to hook up to PlanetScale. And as I was said, it's like, I don't know, the exact time where PlanetScale started supporting Prisma. And we can see that here. I think it was it was here. So this is PlanetScale Prisma Next. It's made by Brian Lovin. I really appreciate this dude.
Yeah.
And it's like a starter repo that you can download, right? Use it as a boilerplate to start building your app on top of it. It has everything set up. Also, and basically, basically that's it. So we're not going to use this repo because we already have our app, right? We're just going to just pick it apart, see what they do, right? And do the exact same thing in our app.
Yeah, implement it in our project.
And see if it functions, right? Awesome. So let's start with that. I'm going to run the app now.
Yep.
Actually, wait a minute. We need to create the branch. So let's go to height.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to click on the integrate PlanetScale. And we're going to do Command K and do GitHub. There it is. Copy GitHub branch name. Beautiful. So I'm going to hit enter. And I'm going to create a new branch and just paste this.
Yep.
And I'm going to push this branch to the repo. And let's see.
There we go.
Guys.
Oh my God.
Awesome. Awesome. You see that?
Yeah.
Beautiful. It automatically put it in progress. So where we actually, I don't like this won't do. We will do everything. There's no like won't do. Can I get rid of this? Never mind. Yeah.
Let's just ignore it.
Hide.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So when we are going to merge this with a PR into main,
Yeah.
when we're going to merge this into the main branch, it'll automatically place it into done.
Yeah.
So we are super chill, super go. All right, cool. We got this set up and beautiful. So let's start. We're going to see Delba's how she made the like button, and it's really cool.
Yeah.
But we're going to circle back on that. So let's go. God damn.
So
What we want to do is just install Prisma.
Yep.
And I guess just Prisma, yeah.
Yeah.
So let's do just that. I think it was like a fairly simple yarn add something Prisma, or was it? No, let's see.
Let's see. Maybe we should search it on npm if they don't have it.
Try locally.
Yeah.
No, dude.
No, this is like
Add to existing project. Relational databases.
Oh, there we go. Prisma.
Prisma. All right. So yarn add Prisma.
Nice.
Beautiful. So while this installs, and there's like an init that we need to run, it'll set up a new folder for us called Prisma.
Prisma, yeah.
With the schema and everything inside. And this is this folder here, right?
Yeah.
When we go in Prisma, we can see there's a schema.prisma where we will write our schema, the tables and models and whatnot. And there's a folder for the migrations as well.
Yep.
But we're not going to dig into that. We don't even need to see that.
Yeah. Migrations are just
done. So we'll just do npx prisma
init.
Let's check this out.
There
Beautiful.
we go.
Here's the Prisma folder, and here's our schema. Right, so we want to do database URL, right? And this is the client. Beautiful, just like we can see from Brian's PlanetScale Prisma Next boilerplate. Check it out. So we have the provider MySQL. This is Postgres by default, but we'll do MySQL, right?
Yep.
Database URL is okay. Shadow database URL, I have no idea what that is, but let's check it out.
Oh, shadow, maybe
shadow some stuff, yeah. Backup usage, yada yada yada. Migration framework Prisma, migration table, production branch. I don't know what that shadow thing is, but we
maybe like a copy or I'm not sure.
No clue. Let's see. PlanetScale shadow database URL. If we don't know, then Google might tell us. Okay, so an unreachable shadow database URL leads to confusing outputs.
Oh, Prisma requires the shadow DB.
Okay, so for example, here's the MySQL connection string, right?
Mm-hmm.
And here is the shadow, which runs, well, both are basically localhost. This is just 127.0.0.1. This is localhost, but different port, as we can see, but the same database. Okay, I have no idea what that is, but we can also check. Taylor, Prisma requires the shadow DB. This Prisma command replaces the existing migration history in the shadow database, applies pending migrations, generates a new migration from any changes you made, applies all unapplicated migrations to the development branch, and updates the Prisma migrations table. Dude, awesome.
Oh, nice.
So is it like we have, for example, we have our actual URL will be the PlanetScale, the remote one, but the shadow would be our local one? Is that what we need to do here?
Yeah, that's how I'm understanding it.
Yeah. In the meantime, let's just finish these things. Just add them.
Okay.
Prisma, and also do the referential integrity in here as well.
That's it.
Okay, yeah, and then we'll define our models from now on. Okay. We'll see. We'll wait for Taylor to tell us about the shadow.
Yeah.
In the meantime, I think Lee Rob also has the PlanetScale. I think yeah, he also has the PlanetScale.
Yeah. The views, I think.
Views, yeah. So let's see, GitHub. Let's see how he sets it up.
Yeah.
LeeRob.io. We go to Prisma. Schema. He's got the provider, the PlanetScale mode. Okay, yeah. This is I guess this is before the actual update.
And he doesn't have a shadow.
He doesn't have a shadow, but he has this PlanetScale mode, and PlanetScale mode equals true, right? So as I read correctly, let's check it out. We'll go to Delba's website. She has a link. Sounds like a bit how AWS AppSync works, except it uses a local cache and eventually syncs it with the remote backend.
Yeah.
I would think so too. Let's see. Yeah, here we go. Eventual support. PlanetScale mode is from an older version. Yeah, I've seen that, but this is an issue created in the Prisma repo, right? So here the engineers are talking about how to integrate and what are the obstacles and challenges and everything. But if you just scroll down totally, you'll just see updated our configuration from PlanetScale mode to referential integrity, right? And that was 6 days ago, guys.
Damn.
So yeah, really quick. Awesome.
Nice.
So yeah, this is the old way and this is the new way, right? Yeah. And then that's what I saw that Brian Lovin did updated their repo here 4 days ago.
Yeah.
And he said in most recent Prisma release, PlanetScale mode was removed in favor of the new referential integrity feature preview. Your blog post would need to be updated with these changes as well. Oh, it's actually not Brian's. Maybe it's Brian. I don't know.
Yeah.
This thing, yeah. Let's see. Maybe it's David Parks. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's David's repo. It's not Brian's, but he opened the PR. Awesome. Cool.
Nice.
And yeah, basically what Brian did is just change this, remove the PlanetScale mode, but they already had the shadow database URL. So
Yeah.
Taylor, what if we don't add the shadow database URL at all? What would happen? Is it going to break or? Yeah, let us know. So yeah, that's basically what Brian did, and it's awesome.
Yeah, maybe
Let's see.
depends on if you're doing migrations. I mean,
Shadow database.
oh yeah, there we go.
MongoDB not supported. Okay, we don't care. Prisma uses a second temporary database while you run development-focused commands.
Yep.
Depends on if you're using migrations. Prisma Migrate uses it. Okay, so how do we set up? For example, we have the PlanetScale here, right? And we can use the connect to actually connect to our. Sorry, there's the Prisma to actually connect to our DB. But what should we set the shadow one? Right? Should we go to the development branch and use that URL as the shadow?
Actually, that might be smart.
Or maybe we should, I don't know, maybe we should use the PScale. Just never change your schema.
Yeah.
Exactly, that's the easiest fix. Or maybe we should use the PScale CLI and actually, spin up a PlanetScale instance right here in our local machine and use that one as.
Yeah, let's do it. I mean,
but then we're going to build it in Vercel. We're not building it locally, and the migrations will be generated in Vercel.
in Vercel, yeah.
Right, so we immediately know that using the PScale CLI is not really going to help us with the migrations because they will happen in the cloud.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. Deploying a PlanetScale, Next.js, and Prisma app to
This is a
Vercel.
sick blog.
Yeah, look at it, shiny. Yeah, well, David's that was David's repo, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is David's repo. Awesome. Let's see. PlanetScale. Before we begin, go ahead and sign up for the PlanetScale. Check. Once you're already signed up, download the CLI. Not check. Which will be important for connecting our database locally, creating new database branches, and issuing deploy requests when we make changes to our schema. Okay. From your dashboard, click on Create Database. We already did that. Region, blah, 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 and launch tutorial. Okay. We already did that. Yeah, dude. I mean, check it out. You see the vaults here?
Oh my god. Oh
Dude,
my god.
awesome.
That's amazing.
Yeah, awesome. All right, so once your database is created, head over to the settings page and enable automatically copy migration data. Awesome. We already have this set up, which will store our Prisma schema migrations in a table called Prisma migrations. Anytime we merge a deploy request. Okay, nice. I guess we should do that, right? Awesome. Head back to your database dashboard and you should see this view. Automatically copy. Okay. Now that we have our database set up with the copy Prisma migration, go ahead and click on the connect. Okay.
Yeah.
And just do this, right? Using the drop down, select Prisma format. Okay. Make sure to have to save these connections details safely. We'll hide your password. Okay. And then we'll do the database URL, right?
Yeah. Oh.
We'll also do the Vercel environment variables.
Yeah. So I think he creates two branches. That's the shadow.
Yeah. Here's the initial and the shadow branch. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the port and this is the shadow. Beautiful. Yeah. So let's do that. Let's do that. Let's first download the PlanetScale.
Yeah. Let's
CLI.
use the CLI. Nice.
Okay.
Dude.
Brew.
Open up iTerm and let's.
Okay. Nice. So let's go back to our PlanetScale, right? And we need to, I guess we need to generate. Oh, okay, 2 passwords. And we need a new passwords.
Yep.
Or should we kill this database and create a new one, a fresh one? Maybe that would make sense.
Yeah.
Because we have nothing in here.
Yeah,
let's
and
just get rid
it'll
of this.
show the audience on how you can do it from scratch.
Right, cool. Let's. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Let's.
This
just
is like the
go-
tutorial.
Yeah. Here are the deploy requests. Okay, nice. All right, cool. Yeah, deploying a schema change. Right. So before we actually merge the PR, we need to do a deploy request.
Yeah.
Open
Yeah.
a deploy request on PlanetScale, so we align the database first, and then we can merge the PR into main, so that when Vercel picks it up,
Yeah. It doesn't break the application.
doesn't break the app. Awesome. So let's create again. Lazar web. I don't know. Let's just do a personal website.
Yeah. Ayo Rain.
Rain,
Welcome.
thanks for the follow. All right, US West. Let's set it to Europe.
Yeah.
Or you can do this. Okay, cool. Yeah, we just did that. Beautiful.
Okay.
Hey, of course.
You're welcome, buddy.
So what do we do?
Let's head into settings. I think we need to.
I think we needed to just updating homebrew.
Okay.
Come on, man. Let's go back here, right? So when we created our database, we
Yeah,
need to go
automatically.
exactly to the settings, migration,
Prisma.
Prisma migrations. That's it.
Yeah.
Save. Beautiful.
Nice.
So when we go back to the overview tab, we should see something here or the dashboard. Where was it?
It should be there. In
Let's
the.
click this.
Hmm.
Okay. We'll probably get to that.
It's an overview. Yeah, it's the screen.
It's overview and automatically copy migration data. Should we click the database and you should see this view? Now that we have a database set up with the copy Prisma, connect. Okay, we should just see that, right?
Yeah.
We need to do the connect thing right now.
Okay.
Let's see.
Almost done.
So we should do this.
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. Have you ever migrated DynamoDB table when your schema changes? I'm looking for some design patterns for how to handle them. Me personally, I haven't. But yeah, I guess some of the viewers might have.
Yeah.
But I haven't worked with DynamoDB.
Yeah. I want to get into AWS, like I said, but yeah, I haven't done much work on DynamoDB either.
Pscale authenticate login.
Yeah.
Nice. I love it when it takes me to a actual website.
Yeah.
So copy this. Oh, okay.
Oh, nice.
Nice. All right. If something goes wrong, copy and paste this URL in your browser.
Yeah, so that's if it doesn't work.
Yeah, nice. Okay, cool. Let's go back and do the shell thingy again. Couldn't find the MySQL command line tool requires. Again.
Oh, yeah.
We need to wait for the brew.
And now the brew update, probably.
All right, 5-minute break, guys.
Yeah. It's always a struggle when you update something with brew.
Yeah,
but gotta
yeah.
love brew.
All right, so and generate a new password from our main branch.
Yeah, dude, for sure.
It is, yeah. I mean, it's like everybody's hot for AWS.
Yeah.
By the way, we need to create a password here. So I'm going to create it off the screen. So you don't copy my password and then hack my...
All right, Taylor. Thanks for joining, buddy. We'll see you in a bit. Thanks a lot for the help.
All right, I created the password. Let's just save it as a secret note, secure note.
Yeah. I know the password, guys.
He knows the password. Maybe if you can make out.
Yeah. It's just random code.
Personal website, password.
Yeah.
Paste.
Nice.
Save it. Okay, and sync it. So I don't want to lose it.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Right, synchronize complete. Now if I refresh here, I'm gonna let you guys in just a moment. Yeah, thanks a lot, Taylor. Thanks for hopping in.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Nice. All right,
Nice.
so let me get you guys back. There we go. So what I did, I just created a password. I saved it in my Bitwarden here. And if we go connect, we can see that there's a password, but it's all stars And newsflash, I didn't set it all stars.
Yeah.
So
You can try though.
all right, MySQL is keg only, which means it was not symlinked into because it conflicts with. Well, I already have MySQL. It seems. If you need to have MySQL client first in your path, run echo export, yada yada yada.
Yeah, let's do that.
Let's do that because I don't really use MySQL on my machine.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
what do we need to do? Do the PScale shell thing.
Yeah. Now it probably works.
Hey, there
Nice.
we go. Nice. There we are. Okay. Okay. All right. It works beautifully. I'm not going to write exit. I'm just going to kill the signal. So we want to do initial setup. Right. And oh, error. Source database. Guys, what am I doing? So personal website, right? Personal website.
But the second, yeah, it's a branch.
It's the branch name,
Yeah.
yeah. And the shadow, right?
Yeah. Tutorial DB.
Personal website, beautiful.
Yeah.
Nice.
And now we need to connect them.
Now we need to connect it, and this will expose our port, right? So connect personal website. Initial setup to 3309. Local address, there we go. And I also need to do another one.
Which is the shadow one.
Yeah, where we do the shadow thingy. Let me just make this a bit larger so you guys can see. Can you guys see well? I mean, if you don't, just let me know.
Yeah.
Zoom in just in case. What about this guy? Let's zoom this one as well. Beautiful. All right, so personal website. Shadow 3310. Beautiful. Okay.
Nice.
And the branch is established. I love it. So we got the shadow, we got everything, right? Create next step, and this is the the thing,
Yep.
the boilerplate, and we want to do this, right? Database URL, shadow database. This is root, so we don't actually want to. Yeah, we don't actually want to add a password because I guess we're already in, right?
Yep, yeah.
Awesome. So let's go and create a .env.
Yeah,
file.
so we can store them.
Already exists.
Oh, yeah.
What do we have there? John Doe random
Oh,
passwords.
yeah, Prisma generated this.
Probably, yeah. So let's modify it like this. We're gonna do this.
Yeah.
And instead of tutorial DB,
Just do
it'll be personal website. Do the shadow thingy. That's a cool. We're gonna make a T-shirt out of that.
Yeah.
All right, we got the variables. Beautiful. We will also need to make some PlanetScale specific adjustments to our schema Prisma, and that's that.
Yeah.
But I think we already did that, right? I think that's exactly what we need to do.
Yep.
Boom. Oh, shadow.
Yeah, the
we
shadow
forgot
one.
the shadow. Okay, cool.
So
There we go. And we should just add a little post,
yes.
right?
Yeah.
And then we will do the migration thing.
Okay.
Migration thingy. All right, so let's see. I want to take a pic in Delba's website because she does this exactly the same without PlanetScale, right? But still uses Prisma. And yeah, thank you. Just big shout out to Delba for open sourcing this. You know, it's super cool to actually have like open sourced her website so you can check out how she built things, and it's just amazing. So we're going to go here and we can see we have the post meta, right? So this is for every blog post. There's the ID, there's the slug, which will be the post slug, and the likes and views, right? We're going to do the same. And then there's likes by user. And of course it has an ID, created and likes, right? I think the ID is, we'll see. We'll see, right? We'll see. So what should we do is just steal these two models because we're going to do exactly the same thing, right? We're just going to keep the track of our likes and views. But let's see, she has an ID, right? And the default is UID. There's a created at, so the default is just now, beautiful. Slug, right? That's going to be unique, and a number of likes and views. And there's always one like by default.
Yeah, Aaron asked for the link to that post.
Oh, dude, yeah.
It's it's the like one. Yeah.
You can check out. She has 2 posts. In the first post, I found out about the latest update in PlanetScale, the eventual support in Prisma. Here's that link.
Yeah.
But yeah, in here, she just really, check it out. Beautiful.
Yeah, this is like the battery thingy on the other.
Exactly.
On
on
David's. Yeah.
Awesome. All right, so we are going to steal this, but let's just see how she handles the views. Okay.
Yep.
So
And pages, I guess.
Pages. Where are they?
Second one.
God damn it. All right, pages. API likes, but let's see.
Blog and probably the slug.
Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Does she has views? She doesn't have views.
Yeah.
Right, but who has views? I think
Lee
Lee
Rob
has views,
yeah.
dude. Lee
Shout
Rob.
out to
Let's
Lee
see,
Rob.
GitHub, Lee Rob. There we go.
Yeah.
Right, so views. Slug, exactly the same, and count. Dude, of course, simple.
Yeah.
But I like Delba's model more, where we have, where was it? Ah, yeah, it was here.
Yeah.
She has a fairly simple. I mean, Lee Rob's model is definitely simple, but the post meta, I like the idea of post meta. Here's the slug, and then here's everything assigned,
yeah,
to that post. So
to
likes,
post,
views, maybe comments. I don't know.
Yeah.
So we can, we can just scale it up. But Lee has the same thing, count, but has a different table for the views.
Yeah.
But let's see how he increments it. So we're gonna go to the website.
Yeah, I'm interested in that as well. Pages. Yeah.
API. Views.
Yeah.
There we go.
Nice.
So we have this is a Next.js API route.
Yeah.
Here's the handler, right? We get the slug from the query because it's a dynamic API.
Yeah.
If it's a posts, then it gets into the views, right? And it does the increment 1. And there's a slug here as well.
Yeah.
But okay, so he just, if you just hit refresh, I guess he will consider that as multiple views, right?
Yeah. But
should we do something about it, or I guess we should just should we implement it like this and then maybe do something like Delba does with the IP addresses?
Yeah, exactly. So Delba, she implements. Yeah, if we can go on her.
I'm gonna show you guys.
Yeah, she checks the IP address of the user, so double views cannot happen from the same IP address.
I mean, she doesn't have views. She has the likes.
Yeah, the likes.
But here's the thing: she gets the IP address from the headers, X forwarded 4.
Yeah.
And since we are going to deploy this on Vercel,
we'll be able to use
we'll
it
be
as
able
well.
to use this one, right? Otherwise, if it's not, it'll just fall back to 0000.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Leave it and just pump them up. Yeah.
Why don't we create the base views handler first, and then maybe we can implement the IP?
Yeah. I mean, we can also implement the same structure for the views as well, views by user maybe.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
So we have the ID and we have the the slug.
Yeah.
We'll see. We'll dig deeper. But maybe just find out. Maybe just set up the plain old views, just for example, Lee Rob does it.
Yeah.
And then maybe we can try to actually make it work.
Yep.
Awesome. So let's copy this.
Yeah, let's copy the
these
model.
2 models.
Nice.
So we got the post metadata, the slug, the likes, the views, everything.
Nice.
Okay, and then, for example, let's just continue working on this. When we add our models, we need to migrate it.
Yeah, let's migrate it.
To migrate dev, name, init. And then we'll do a deploy request.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. So let's try that.
Database.
Personal website. Let's see if it actually does anything. It logs any stuff out.
Yeah.
3309, that's this thing right here.
That's the real one.
Okay. Running generate. Beautiful.
Yeah. It's adding something there. Some package.
Yeah. Oh, it's installing everything.
Yeah. Okay, generated Prisma client. So we should probably have it, huh?
Well, let's see. Yeah, there we go. Migrations.
Yeah.
See? So here's the SQL that will...
Yeah.
And it'll just get executed there.
Yeah.
All right, so we did the migrations, right?
So now let's deploy it.
All goes well. We should see a successful message in our terminal, as well as a new migrations folder in our projects. Now it's time to open a deploy request to bring these changes over to our main database branch. Beautiful. So that's what we do here, right? If we run this, where? No, probably
let's open
in here.
Yeah.
Instead of tutorial DB, we'll
yeah.
do personal website, right?
Yeah.
Initial setup.
That's how you called it, I think, as well.
Yeah, it is. But initial setup was our main branch, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So you wanna.
Where is it? Initial setup is the main branch, and the shadow is the shadow. So let's just do that.
Nice.
Deploy request successfully created. Beautiful. Okay, so what happens next? We just created our first PlanetScale deploy request. If we head back over to the dashboard and navigate to our deploy request, we should see an open deploy.
Nice, dude.
Beautiful. Click on the add changes to deploy queue. Okay. So,
maybe
deploy
requests. Nice.
In review.
Oh my god.
Beautiful. There we go. Apply changes to deploy queue.
Yeah, so you created 2 tables and 1 migration.
Nice. So these are going to be deployed. Dude, I like this.
Yeah.
I really like this. So you basically can do this on a CI/CD pipeline, right? You can do authenticate at the beginning.
Yeah.
Right? You can do npx Prisma migrate.
Yep.
I think. And then you can do open the deploy request, right?
Yeah, this has so much potential.
Yeah.
And it's like you avoid the servers and everything.
Awesome. Awesome. All right, so now we have our main branch updated. Go ahead and shut down both terminals that we... Okay.
Yeah, Andre is getting excited again.
Yeah. That can become your like trademark, like
yeah.
the oh my god guy. All right, so when this thing finishes, right, because they're still deploying,
Yeah.
we can go ahead and shut down both terminals that we have been connected to PlanetScale. Awesome. And let's rerun a command to open a connection to our main branch, 3309. So we can add a post record to our database. Beautiful. So we have like 3 branches, right? We have main by default.
Yep.
That would be the production.
Yeah.
We have initial setup just to like have it here, and our shadow.
Yeah.
I guess we will kill the initial setup branch
Yep.
in somewhere after we're done with this.
Yeah.
But that's cool. That's cool.
So
let's see the deployed.
Yeah, it's
nice.
deployed.
All right, so
Now let's
we can
do it on our main.
We can kill this one, and instead of initial setup,
Do main.
we'll do main. 3309, right? 3309. Okay. Dude, nice.
Okay.
All right, so we are hooked up on our main branch.
So now we can launch Prisma, I guess.
Yeah, we can launch Prisma, and we should see the... Nice. Nice, we got
we have 3
3
tables, 3
branches.
branches.
Beautiful. Yeah, npx Prisma Studio, and we should be good, man. Let's check this out.
I love Prisma's UI. We'll see it now.
Yeah,
Look at this. It's beautiful.
beautiful.
Okay.
Likes by user, post meta, dude.
Yeah, so now we can create a...
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Goddamn, we have the database.
Yeah.
Awesome. Awesome. So Prisma is connected, right? If we can see this on our local hosts through Prisma, that means we can just use the db dot everything, right?
Yeah.
Dude. Okay, cool. Cool. Let's just do yarn dev. I mean, we're gonna run it a bit later because I think my computer might explode. So
Yeah.
we'll just wait it out. All right. So she also has a lib folder that has a prisma.ts, right?
Oh, so this is to.
So you can, yeah, she gets the Prisma client like this, right? If it's production, Prisma client.
Yeah.
Otherwise, she does some development stuff and exports it by default, right?
Yeah.
So then we can use import db by from yada yada yada.
Yeah.
Right? I like this.
Yeah, let's read it.
Yeah, I think also Blitz.js does this. I mean, I think it's on Prisma's website as well. It's like the, right?
Yeah.
All right, so let's create a db at the root here. Here's the data, but here's the db, and we will do index.ts. We'll paste this thing.
Nice.
Nice. Okay, beautiful. And then what we want to do is open up the ts config, and then just do another entry for our db.
Yep.
So db, it's not going to be slash, or I don't know. Let's just add the slash. Maybe we'll go crazy in the future. So instead of source, we'll do db slash asterisk star, right? So we can fetch the db from at slash db, etc.
The base paths.
Nice, yeah. So we can just do that. Beautiful. So let's go. Where?
This is the MDX components.
Yeah.
We don't want that here.
We can start actually in creating our API handlers now, right? We
Yeah,
got the
yeah.
connection, we got everything ready.
So if we go into pages and API,
New folder, API, and then we'll call this view. Oh, sorry.
But I think it's a
Make
folder.
a folder, yeah.
And then slug.
Yeah, then we'll do the slug.ts. So this will be our API. So we'll just do getter posts on slash API slash views slash and that blog.
Yeah.
The post slug.
Like Lee Rob did it.
Yeah, so here is Delba.
Yeah.
Delba's stuff, but we're going to get these two, but we won't get the cryptos just yet.
Yeah.
So instead of lib Prisma, we'll just do db. Because that's what we call it. And we want to export the default async function. Doesn't really matter, I think.
Yeah.
What's the name of the function?
Yeah.
As long as it's exported defaultly.
I think this is not imported properly.
No, it's actually the TypeScript. It's declared, but it's never used. Cannot find module.
Yeah,
because we don't have yarn dev.
Oh, okay.
And since we are going to.
But wait. Shouldn't you import?
I will just do, it's a default, so we can just name it as we wish. But db is shorter, so await db dot.
No, I mean the import slash db. I think that's not right.
No, I mean
slash. Oh, maybe not.
Not really. I mean it's index, but we don't want to do the index, right?
Okay.
We'll see. We'll see. So let's just close this, compile successful. Let's just reopen it again. God damn.
No, cannot find more.
Right, we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. It doesn't matter.
Yeah. So first things first. Let's compare Lee Rob and Delba's solutions, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Things might throw an error, so we need a try catch.
Yeah.
So we can kill the request here, right? Beautiful. So let's just do try and catch. And we'll kill the request here. The response. We'll send the message down. Then inside we can get the slug. And the slug, we also call it slug, so...
Yeah.
Beautiful. Where is it? Yeah. Then we can have the request method and check if it's a post or a get. If it's a get, we want to get the views, right?
Yeah.
Although no. Okay, we will. Yeah, I was thinking maybe get that server side, but we don't actually use server side. We use client side.
Yeah.
We'll just do this. Yeah. All right. So it's either if or it's either switch. Just I don't know. What do you prefer, ifs or switches?
I mean, in this case, I would prefer if. I think.
If, okay, we'll roll with if. So if request.method is called get Yeah, we just want to get inside, find the post with the slug, and then return
the views
count.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So we'll do post equals the post metadata, right?
Yeah,
so
yeah,
post
yeah.
Metadata equals await db. Now we don't have typings. God damn, Lazar. All right, so let's just. Is this cool?
Yeah, I think this should work now.
Should work now. Okay, let's just restart it, reopen it. So can we get typings? Beautiful.
Nice.
Okay, so post meta, and it also it also generates the TypeScript for you. So
it's beautiful.
Awesome. So we want to do find unique.
Find unique, yeah. Where slug.
Slug is just slug.
Slug, yeah, shorthand.
Nice. So this is our post meta, and our post meta has the likes, has the views, has the created, and dude, look at this.
So
thing,
nice. Yeah.
So what we can do now is just
return whatever we want.
200, and there you go. Here's the JSON. We'll just parse it as we send it and step it on the screen. Beautiful. Let's do that. Yeah. And what if it does? What if there is no? We'll see that, right?
Yeah.
So we want to do return result dot status. Let's mark it as 200. Okay. Dot JSON.
Just JSON, yeah.
Nicely done. So what we're gonna do is total, or we'll just call this views, right?
Yeah.
And so this will be views post meta dot views.
And
that's it, right?
To string,
to
but
string,
I don't.
Well, yeah, it's a number, right?
Yeah.
It's a number, anyways.
Yeah.
It's a primitive type, so it'll be just it'll get serialized.
Yeah.
Just as it should. So we got the get now, right? Let's try it out. Let's try it out. We wanna do probably a React hook for this.
Yeah, let's.
Because we don't want to do fetches inside our components and stuff. We'll just create a hook, right? So in source, we'll create hooks. Inside the hooks, use post views.
Yeah.
Yeah. .ts. Nice. So we'll do use post views, right?
Yeah.
We'll define our props here, right? So
which is gonna be.
We just want to get the slug, right?
Yeah.
So that will be a string.
String.
Beautiful. Let's set it up here.
Props, yeah.
And get the slug.
Yeah.
Export, default, use post views. Nicely done. So we got the slug here, right? We wanna first, what we wanna do is fetch views. OMG, Andre.
Yeah.
Fetch views.
Yeah.
Or should we? I mean, like, here's the pattern. We can either
I don't think we should fetch them though.
Fetch them, return them, or return methods for fetching and incrementing. So then we can call them again. But if we return the fetching thing, we should also return the views. So when they update, we get the variable, right?
Yeah.
I think we should go with the second one. It feels like an API, right?
Yeah.
Use post views, right? And it'll return here's your increment method and here's your fetch method, right?
So we'll have two methods, yeah.
Nice. So let's go with the second variant here. What we want to do is import use effect and also use state.
State, yeah, we'll need
from React.
Need them both.
We're going to create other views and set views.
Yeah.
Use state, there will be a number. What am I doing? Okay. And now we want to do, you gotta refactor to use xstate.
Oh yeah.
I am like eager to get into xstate, but
same.
Yeah, I can't find the time, and I also can't find the use case, right? And this is just as a good use case.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's like super cool. I'm really look forward to working with xstate. All right, so what are we gonna do? We want to do the increment. Let's just do the fetch
first. Yeah.
Let's just do the fetch views method first, right?
Let's call it like that.
We're not going to get any arguments because we already have them here.
Yeah.
Beautiful, right? So fetch views.
And
Inside, we want to do the fetch API /
yeah,
API.
for sure, Aaron.
No, just do a get
API
/ views / slug here, right?
Yeah.
And then return the result. Because the result is going to be... We're not going to return anything. We're not going to return anything because we have the views here, right? So let's just do return
views.
Yeah.
Are we just gonna set them?
We're just gonna set them, and it'll trigger a re-render so we can see them here. All right, let's do that, right? First things first. We want a goddamn. All right, so this can be a little tricky, right? We want to do an API call. Mm-hmm. We also want to do. In order to use to do an API call, we want to use the use effect.
Oh yeah.
So how do we trigger this? Like fetch views. Like I want to have a single hook that returns my functions API, or should we like use? Should that be a hook that returns these methods? And complicates our lives like exponentially.
Yeah, but
or as another like pretty used pattern is to actually create a context that gives you those
results.
Yeah, the methods and stuff.
Yeah.
I'm not sure, man.
This could be.
Yeah, it's like a good question.
With an async.
What do you mean?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, I don't know. Let's just see.
Let's see how they did it.
Yeah, maybe they have this pattern, like what we're trying to do. Scripts, pages, layouts, probably lib.
No.
Prisma types.
So Leak has a fetcher. I know I've used this fetcher before. So yeah.
And just returns the...
Yeah, it's not even a hook. It's just a...
Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead, Aaron.
Yeah. Maybe we should check the page on how they get the data. Or...
Let's try that. Or maybe it's in like... Maybe his hooks are in the components.
Maybe.
Folder.
Metrics, no.
Nope. Well, hold on. Metrics. Oh no, just blog posts. Let's see.
Yeah.
He uses SWR to actually...
Yeah, dude. Maybe we should use it like this.
Do that.
Yeah.
And then he uses the fetcher here.
Yeah, which...
And there's the data. Should we like use SWR? I don't know.
Yeah, dude.
Or just... I mean, we already have a hook with SWR and it might make our life way easier, right?
Yeah.
But then use SWR. We'll return a data. And it'll return the data immediately. But what if we want to trigger the actual fetch, right?
Trigger it on our own, like...
Wait a minute. Yeah, this is gonna be... If we just... Yeah, no, we do need a trigger, man. We do need a trigger. If we were to do a get and a post immediately, you know what would happen?
What?
We would trigger the actual... We will increment the views on every render, I guess. Unless it has some...
Oh yeah.
But no. It has the caching thing, right?
Yeah.
That's why that's what SWR is. Alright, let's see. Aaron has an example. So use effect async function fetch files. Await added files. Let me just bring this
and
into VS Code,
yeah,
just so we can see it. But I think I have an idea.
Save it as TSX. Or JavaScript. Come on, dude.
Format.
Probably doesn't know.
Yeah, well, because it's just the use effect.
Oh yeah.
Okay, fetch status, file repo, recently added files. Okay, here's the console log, and then finally we get the fetch status and call.
Yeah, we're calling it because we can't make the use effect asynchronous.
Yeah, but the thing is, we need to nest this, right? This does the fetching of the files, and we need to.
So wait, how do you want to trigger it?
Yeah, I mean here's the dependency array. So we can't directly use an async function in a hook, right?
Yeah,
so and immediately call it. I know, yeah, but we don't want to immediately call it, right? We want to have a trigger that actually triggers the use effect here in the dependency array.
I mean, we can do that with a cache key, but what should be the trigger?
The method, like we'll export the method, right? So we'll just export it. So and then we'll do, let's see, we'll do const increment equals use post views, right? We'll give the slug here, and then I don't know, down the line we'll do increment, and that should trigger the API.
Yeah, I get you.
That's my idea. The increment should be the trigger, and that needs to do something. Maybe we can. Goddamn, this might be a blasphemy. Yeah, return a dispatcher. How can we?
Let's.
If you wanted to use reducer,
yeah,
we can. But still, the use effect needs to be at the top level. By the way, the typing animation in your VS Code is smooth. Is there a settings for it? Yeah, I think.
Yeah, I forgot how it's called.
Let's see. Settings JSON.
Something.
Animations. Cursor smooth caret animation. True.
This is beautiful.
Yeah. So it's it follows around. All right. So here's what I'm thinking, right? It's gonna be stupid. But
no problem.
A way to trigger is maybe define a use effect here. We will call the API inside, but the dependency array shouldn't be empty. It should have I don't know, a trigger, right? And that trigger can be a state variable, right?
Okay.
So what do we want to do? Fetch views is
oh, okay.
I don't know, new date.
Yeah,
so
okay,
it'll be every time, every time we'll get the time. What was that? The get UTC data. Yeah, let's make a string. UTC string. It doesn't matter, and we'll do this as a string. Right?
Okay, and
so this will just set the trigger to the date, but it's goddamn, why are we using the dates? But yeah, this is the concept, setting the trigger to the date. It's always going to be unique. So this use effect will get triggered. It's stupid, I know. And then we'll do the API,
the fetch
insights. So what do you think?
Yeah, man. I mean, why not? Let's
come on.
Can you go to the browser?
No, I just want to do SWR.
Yeah, let's see Delvas. That's what I was thinking.
You mean okay? That's a good idea. But she doesn't have the views.
She
has the likes.
Yeah, she doesn't have the views.
She has the likes, but the likes are triggered.
Likes are triggered, yeah. Likes.
Let's see.
She probably uses a cache key or something for that. Pages.
API likes, but
API likes.
Not really there. Let's see.
It's probably in some...
Probably lib. Use analytics. Use post likes.
Yeah. So
alright, so get post likes is an async function. Beautiful. Just fetches that.
Yeah.
Update post likes. There's another function. Use post likes.
So this is the fetch. Yeah, she does. she does.
There's the increment function.
Oh yeah, exactly like ours.
And she mutates it.
Okay.
Dude, yeah, so we can like, okay.
Yeah, dude, mutate.
Yeah, we can just mutate it, right?
Yeah.
God damn. Smart.
Yeah. So SWR is the right choice after all.
Ding, 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 ding. And the winner is... Yeah,
Yeah,
so instead of just...
SWR is beautiful. I'm using it on at work, and it's super awesome.
Yeah, dude. Alright, SWR. So let's just get rid of all these things.
Yeah.
Right, and we want to use that little fetcher thingy.
Yeah, let's create a custom fetcher.
Get post likes, and get post likes does basically
Fetch.
this, right?
Yeah. Maybe, do you want to create like a fetch? Or...
Likes payload, total post likes. Okay, here's the payload, and here's the current user
Oh
likes.
yeah, never mind. She
But we're going to do... We're just going to do, instead of API URL, we wanna... Okay,
I mean,
here's the API URL as well. Right, so instead of
views.
likes, ours is views, and then we do
plus
this.
slug.
Just converted this to string. And the ID would be the slug. Sorry, I don't know, just rename it to slug.
Slug, yeah. Nice.
So it just fetches that, and here we'll use SWR.
And
What
she
is the
has
key? The key is the slug.
Yeah.
And get post likes should get renamed
that
to
is the
views.
fetcher, yeah.
Okay, beautiful. Use SWR.
Nice.
We should probably get rid of... I guess we should probably get rid
yeah,
of these.
you won't need them.
Okay. And this will give
Be
us the data.
yeah.
We'll call this...
View.
No, we'll just get it as the data, but views will be data dots.
Okay.
Not really this. Right, so what was our...
well, I think views, yeah.
So views
And you don't
is
even
going to
need
be
the other one,
number.
yeah.
This is going to be the views payload.
Oh man, this is beautiful.
Data.views. Or... Well, nah.
Nah, you can't do it, sadly.
Because I wanted to do like this, but what if it's like undefined? We have problems. And I think the first time it will be undefined.
Yeah.
Awesome. Alright, so we got the views here, right?
Mm-hmm.
We don't need to do any loading or stuff like that, right?
Yeah, you don't need it.
Awesome. So let's check out the actual update post views.
And do the update.
And we'll see. Okay, here's the ID and here's the count. Do we like need the count? We don't need the count,
I
right?
don't think we need that count in this context.
It's one
or
always.
Actually...
It's always one, right?
Yeah.
So we are going to send the posts here.
You just need the...
I just need to do, instead of a count, nothing, dude.
we don't need to return
We don't
that.
need a body. We don't need a body here.
And rename the ID to slug.
Yes. Thank you. Slug. Nice.
Okay.
So she uses the update post likes
in the
in
mutation.
the increment. So she creates the increment and then just returns it. Nice.
Yeah. Dude, I'm gonna get excited again. This is, when it makes all sense.
Yeah, there's the increment. We'll return the increment as well.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And
so she does the user. She does the loading and error and
yeah.
stuff. We'll not do that for the moment, for the time being.
Yeah, let's just
copy paste this and dissect it. We got the data.
So views.
There's if the data.views.
We don't need
this. Yeah, this is the likes thing.
Actually, if there's no data, maybe you should return.
We should just mutate this, right?
Yeah, but what if there's no data? That's what she was, I think. Yeah, if no data, then just return. Yeah. And
we want to import the mutate as well.
Yeah. And then just change it to views.
So, mutate.
Yep.
Wait a minute. Mutate takes the key.
Yeah, and the false that she has is they should revalidate.
Optimistic UI pattern. Update the local SWR cache. So like count updates immediately for the user while we update the database. And then we update the database, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so she doesn't have a key for this, I guess. Should revalidate.
Yeah, that's the false that she has at the end.
I guess, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, so we'll just do views. Views for what?
What do you mean?
I'm not, like, I don't get it. Where's the key, right? So the first argument should be the key. Maybe I'm like,
No. I don't think she passes the key. I think this is the data she wants to mutate, but there's no key.
okay.
Seems like.
So we'll just data views plus one.
Yeah, and just update the use update post likes.
Object literal may only specific.
Oh.
Views does not exist in any. All right.
What?
Yeah, like that's what I'm saying. If we add the key, it'll work. But maybe the key will be the slug,
Yeah, let's do it.
right? Nice.
Yeah.
And now let's also update the database, right? So views, update post views, and we'll just pass.
We don't need the
ID.
count.
We don't need the number one.
Just pass the slug, not the ID.
Yeah. We'll pass the
Nice.
slug.
Still, maybe it's not expecting anything. No, it is. Oh man, this is the key, I guess.
Views payload is not assignable to an array of value key. All right, so okay, it's a promise that returns a views payload, right? It's and mutate wants a key. So we'll just do slug, and then this will be the
Yeah.
yeah. But then the post views should instead of return a JSON, right? It should
Wait.
result
Yeah.
or just data
data,
equals
yeah.
await, and then we wanna return this object here because that's our cache,
Yeah.
right? So
Oh.
views will be data.views.
Yeah. Without the increment.
What?
Oh, I think you have an extra. Or maybe you don't. Oh man.
God damn. I mean, like, god damn. All right, so I don't know. Okay, payload equals this or return payload.
Oh yeah, is it not? Oh my god.
Wait a minute. Was that like the comma issue? I think I had like a comma there. There we go.
Oh yeah.
Sorry.
Okay.
All right. So we'll keep the views, and we can grow this later on with the likes as well, right?
Yeah,
but the
exactly.
views are just universal, right? Okay. To do fix race condition bug for when a user who has not liked a post rapidly clicks, possibly
Yeah.
fix with debounce. Good thinking.
Yeah.
But
Let's try it out, I guess.
we're not going to do the. Okay, so use post likes. We got the views, and we'll get them immediately. And there's an increment with that we can just do that.
Yeah.
Nice.
So let's
Nice.
try it out.
So let's go into the blog slug, right? And we want to fetch. We want to fetch this slug, but this slug might not exist for the first render because Next.js is not going to give us the slug.
Yeah.
So we need to do the use SWR with like a skip. Like we want to skip, right?
I think if you pass in the key in the slug, or maybe yeah, but I think if you say slug or null, I think it won't get
Okay.
called until we have a slug.
Like or null, so the
Yeah.
null key will actually do
Yeah.
that?
I think I've used this like before.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, we should try it, but
Alright, so see, let's do or null. Conditional data fetching, beautiful.
yeah,
Otherwise, null.
no, yeah. So this is a fetch,
Or
but
return a false
yeah.
value, yeah. Or throw an error. Throw an error. When the user ID is not defined. So where do we throw?
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure. Okay. For example, if the user.id is not defined, if the user is not defined, it'll just break.
Oh yeah,
It'll
okay.
throw an error.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, got it. I can see that. Okay. So this is the dependent thing. Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
User.id. We don't do that. Actually, should fetch, otherwise null. So this should work, right? If the slug we'll make this an optional.
Yeah.
Is it like string? There we go. So either slug or
null.
null.
Yeah, I think this will work as well.
Nice. So let's go here, man. So we'll do query.
Yeah, which we get from router.
Use router.
Yeah.
Exactly. Use router.
And
we want to get the slug from the query, right? Actually, we're not going to this structure. We'll do query.slug as string because slug will return either a string or an array of string, but we just want this as a string.
Yeah.
And now we can get
the data.
Post views and give the slug back.
Yeah. And we get the views from it.
So this will be a string and
props.
Oh goddamn.
Oh, yeah.
Of course. Yeah, it's like
yeah.
There we go.
Need that.
Use post use slug. This is going to be a string, but it might get undefined. And we got the views and increment.
Increment as well.
Now we can call the increment here, right?
Yeah.
Where's the views first?
I think you're using some
date count up.
Yeah,
from
count
start
up. Yeah.
Until views, right? And then we'll do use effect.
So yeah, this is gonna get incremented on every page.
Yeah.
Load.
Oh,
hey.
Sam, how's it going, man?
How are you doing, Sam?
Ooh, a sub. Thank you so much, dude.
Welcome.
Love it. All right, so we'll just increment, right?
Yeah.
Well, then let's do this instead. So increment.
Yeah.
Oh boy, let's see this.
We
Local
coded
host.
a lot, so now
let's actually
3000,
try it.
yeah.
3000. God damn, I always mix up the ports. Are we running? We are running.
Yeah. Pray for us, guys.
The moment of truth. One row, right? Actually, where's our Prisma? Where's our Prisma thingy? 5555. Okay.
Okay. Do we create views or
no rows in this table?
Okay.
Yeah, it's actually right. Let's just before we trigger anything, we have the views here, right? Post meta, and again. But we're just getting this. We
Oh yeah, we're not
there is no post, right?
Yeah.
So nothing should happen.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, we need to do that, right?
So in Lee's blog, we had that.
There we go.
Yeah, we just need to go back a little bit.
Pages, API, views, slug. If it's a post, this. If it's a
we did the get
this, and then that's it. All right, so we won't do any post. We just want to see what we get. So let's go to blog. I wanna.
You wanna go to the source?
Open it up, yeah.
Oh yeah, or the
testing MDX installation.
Let's go.
Go.
Slug.js.
Okay.
Is it still loading?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, seems like it, but it failed.
Dude, views.
Okay.
So data is not defined.
All right.
But like, where was the actual
request?
And why did this like trigger the full page load?
I think it's this test.
Wait a minute. God damn. All right.
Internal server.
Yeah, I think it already happened. I mean, it crashes because
data is not.
Yes, or 0. Right. So it's. Oh wait a minute. It's not really here. What we're looking at. We wanna post meta.views.
Why would it?
Or 0. So that would be our fallback, right?
Alright, let's do it. It works.
No, it doesn't.
But it's
Well,
why
but
is
it's in the hook, right? Use post views.
Yeah.
Line 43. There we go.
yeah,
Let's just say 0 because
yeah.
we know it's going to be 0. And then we can do the increment thing and actually see it increment, right?
Okay, there we go. So it's 0.
Okay, so it
it's-
returned an internal server error because we don't have a handle views of null.
No.
That's not actually it. Ah, dude. I updated it. No, it's actually, I think it's an old.
Yeah, it's an old. So if you go a little bit
Because
down.
we have the.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
It did build the page.
Cool. Okay, so let's actually check out. But yeah, it failed here, right? So get on the API internal server error.
Why don't you just go to this page? Like you can access, I think, the API as well.
Here's the API. It returns probably, I don't know. Let's console log it. So
Yeah.
console.log returning views, and we'll just slap the object here, right?
Yeah.
Should like restart the server so it actually. Probably not.
No.
It's a function, or we do.
Yeah, it should return in VS Code.
How can I call my own beard
Yeah.
to be that nice? I don't know, dude. I've been coding it for like 8 years, so
Yeah.
there's no. Yeah, imagine if you can code your beard, man.
Oh,
Like you can just update it from time to time, right?
Yeah.
We don't have the logs here. I'm not sure what happened. Let's just restart the server because we were adding some stuff. So let's just make sure.
Yeah. So now it's live. It's still not.
We want to
logging.
see these returning views. Like request.method. Are we doing that? We should. Yeah, request.method equals post or get. Our method is get. Okay.
Yeah, so it built the page.
Here's
so
the
now we can
API
just-
page. Yeah, the
Yeah.
dependencies are big.
Yeah.
Could not find files for blog/slug in next build. What?
What the hell?
Blog/blog/test.
Slug. Maybe, but it shouldn't be an issue.
We already have the test, right? Blog post tests.
Yeah.
And there we have it. But
I'm
nothing
not sure.
got logged.
Check the. But it shouldn't be here, right?
It shouldn't be here, man.
Yeah, it's not here. What the hell? But it's not even fetching it. It's just.
Yeah. So this is the get that happens, and the preview is cannot read property views of null. Well, this is probably null, dude.
Oh.
Right? Views of null. I mean, that's the only
Yeah.
property views. That's something.
Yeah.
Yeah, that too. Yeah, but
Yeah.
I think we've like figured it out. We'll just return 0 if it doesn't exist, right? And when we actually, there we go, 200, right? 0
Nice.
use, and we can see it here. Nice.
Okay.
Now let's do the increment. God damn, dude. Okay.
Yeah.
But we're getting the hang of this.
Yeah.
If the request.method is post, then we're going to do something cool, which will be upserting.
Absurd. Yeah.
So we'll do post meta
Yeah, it's same
await
variable.
db.post meta.upsert instead of update because we might not have it, right?
Yeah.
And we'll do if it doesn't exist, we'll just create it.
Yeah.
So we'll do slug is slug.
Created.
Created that. I think it's already default by now.
ID is default as well.
Likes and views. We'll
Why do we have like? Oh yeah, we
do have
put
likes,
it
yeah.
in the model.
Let's just make them as
0
and
then
views will be
there's-
1
Yeah.
since we will be calling this, right?
Yeah. Or
And
wait, should it be 1 or increment?
for the create will be 1.
Oh, yeah,
for the
yeah,
update
oh,
will
yeah.
be increment. Yeah.
Increment.
So views
Yeah, increment exactly.
1. And then we want to do the where
Slug.
slug. That's it.
And then we return the 200.
Yeah, and then we'll do this. Where are we? And I think it will always have this, right? If it'll be
Yeah.
either created or updated.
Yeah, we don't need to put.
Let's just leave it like this.
Yeah,
Like
for
just in
safety
case, yeah.
reasons.
But here is the increment.
So let's check it out.
Get. Alright, so let's just reload.
Yeah, now it should increment it. Let's go. Come on, buddy.
Here's the get.
But it's not incrementing.
And the post is never to be seen. Okay.
Let's see the post.
You don't need this. Use effect increment.
It's not mutating, dude.
But it should call this, right?
Yeah.
Let's check it out. So we'll do. Oh.
Yeah, the source is.
Use post views. Here. If the data is null,
Maybe we don't need that. Or.
we'll see.
Okay. So what's the data?
Undefined. That's why it is.
Yeah, on page view. Yeah.
I got it, man. I got it. Oh. Alright, so here's the thing. Check this out. Right?
Oh my god.
Right?
Yeah, dude.
here's the data now.
And now it increments.
Okay, we got it. Now we can mutate it.
Yeah.
So let's go to the network tab, clean it
Oh
out,
my God.
and just do beam.
Oh man.
Holy shit. Cut it out. Alright, so nice.
Okay, maybe we
That
don't
was-
put the views.
That was cool, yeah. Because I guess the mutate. Goddamn, let's see our database. Just reload. Views should be.
Oh man, 18
18
views,
views.
man! Congrats.
If it was this easy, yeah. So let's just get ditch this, and go back and do the postmortem.
Yeah.
So mutate actually re-renders, right? Mutate actually re-renders.
Wait, how?
Damn, dude. Like we want this to happen once after we get the views done.
Dude, what if we?
Yeah.
So we get the views when we get the slug, but nah.
Yeah, but the views
Yeah.
are. I mean, the data here is an object, so
Yeah.
it's not really like a primitive type,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
If we were to do this, right? If we were to do this,
No. Oh man.
oh man.
So we can't check the other example because it's for likes.
Yeah, and that's triggered.
Yeah.
Oh,
How does she
wow.
trigger it?
Well, no, how does Lee trigger it? Because Lee has views.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's see how Lee triggers it.
Exactly, yeah. And you,
Yeah, it
you leave it like
re-renders.
that.
Yeah, it re-renders because we're mutating the data, the views,
let's see. Not API, sorry, not API.
the page.
Blog.
itself, Yeah.
Slug.
Lee does it. This is tweets, so we don't need the.
Get static. What? This is the blog.
What?
And then there's a component. Blog layout.
Front matter. Maybe he does it in upper component.
Yeah, maybe he does in the layout, or I don't know. But he should be able to.
No, it's not this.
It's definitely not this.
We saw it. I mean, he used SWR, didn't he?
Yeah, but where was that?
Can you go back? Pages. Maybe he
Here's
used
the
it.
here's the blog page.
Let's go to the.
Now we're going to. You
Yeah,
just, get the
exactly.
big gun.
This is the. Oh, it has Night Owl.
It's by my own
Oh, okay.
configuration.
Nice.
Please resolve them and just
Yeah.
shut up.
So
So let's see.
Slug.
We want to do the views slug. Right, so we can just search for /API/views.
Just search for use SWR. Or there
There we go. Analytics.
Blog post. That's where
Was it?
Yeah, it's blog post.
Blog posts.
Yeah.
Yeah. SWR, man.
Okay.
Just do this.
Slug, yeah.
So he.
But wait, this
he
is not.
fetches that, right?
But how does he increment?
Well, maybe in the analytics. Use SWR. He gets the fetcher, and the fetcher always.
What?
Let's see.
No, this is just a normal fetcher. Or
Here's the input, and here's the init.
No.
Okay.
What the hell?
And this will return the data. Okay.
Page views, but this is the total views.
Oh, this is the
not
metric card,
yeah.
actually, right?
Yeah, yeah.
The blog post.
Man. It's just the views, but
I mean, we can see that he has a post here. But when do we? When can we see that being sent?
Why don't we?
Here's
What?
the slug, and here's the fetcher.
Why don't you search for? I was gonna say increment, but he doesn't have increment anywhere. Something we need to find, like where he stores his hooks.
Yeah, well, that's like
Yeah, that's the issue.
he doesn't have hooks.
Analytics. This is just nothing.
And here's the fetcher.
Mm-hmm. Prisma.ts.
So it's like he gets the input, and there's also an init request in it. So
yeah.
And what is this? Body, cache,
This is-
credentials, method. There's also the method. Oh, goddamn. There's also the method here, but how does he uses this fetcher into the SWR and tells that this fetch should be a post?
I mean,
Right?
through the method, but he doesn't pass the method anywhere.
Let's continue with the search. View counter,
Oh. Here it
fetcher
is.
again. Oh, okay. When the slug,
Yeah, exactly.
when we get the slug,
Yeah.
he does that fetch here, and just that does the method posts.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
dude, right?
Yeah, let's just put the slug, I guess.
Yeah, of course. It only makes sense.
Yeah.
So we don't actually
Um,
need the.
But
Yeah, instead of the views here,
just
where are
press
we?
Title.
Views. We just want to get the slug, right? So,
Yeah, yeah.
and that would be it.
Oh,
actually, we
wait,
needed to-
wait.
What?
I think I saw something. So increment shouldn't be like a function.
It is a function.
Oh,
It's a function that returns a void.
okay, never mind.
All right. let's check
Yeah.
this out. It's running. All right, clear out the console. I think this thing froze.
Still the same thing.
Let's just start fresh.
What the hell? I don't get why the slug just changes all the time.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
If we can get the slug, then do the increment. So we don't actually.
Yeah, loop.
Damn it. All right. Refresh. How many views do I have?
Oh
18.
my
94.
god.
Guys, I made it. I made it.
Set that to like 0. I mean, you don't even have to set it.
Just
Right.
delete it, yeah. Because we want to start from the
Yeah.
start from the bottom. Now we're here, man. 1,800 views.
3,000. Super famous, exactly.
All right, so let's go on the homepage first, so
Let's,
we can
yeah.
keep tracking. Oh man, my leg hurts.
Oh,
Just go down a bit. All right. I've been sitting on this chair since 9 a.m.
9 a.m. Yeah. Working that 9 to 5.
I should be running home, not driving home.
Yeah, I started running recently and it's super like helpful.
That's like good.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the blog. Clean.
Come on.
Enter. Should only do it once.
That's the JSON. So I think this is the get.
That's the get.
Yeah.
Is it a get? It is a get.
What is test.json?
It's like the data
Oh.
from the development server.
So we don't have the slug, it seems, right?
It seems like we don't have the slug, but let's just debug this and we'll see. So
Oh my god.
slug.
Dude, but I don't think... yeah.
Now let's
never mind.
just... Let's see.
Okay,
There we go.
let's see.
So slug, does it exist? It
Test,
exists.
Yeah.
So increment this, man. Where's the
Maybe
increment?
maybe our mutate is not...
Oh, wait a minute. Maybe the data is undefined. God damn. All right. So slug and views,
Yeah.
right? And then we'll just do slug
And views.
and views when both of these are
Yeah.
beautiful. Oh, god damn it. Look
Exactly.
further, man. Let's see.
Did this ever go down?
No, it's like it froze,
Oh.
but we'll
Yeah.
restart it. And
Come
see
on,
it again.
man.
I just want to see 2 tests,
It's still nothing. Let's
and it's
debug
also
it.
cached.
Oh yeah.
But it should be cached.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
good.
Got all of this though. You are.
All right, so
So let's see it.
going back and reloading. The moment when we have both the slug and the views.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's.
Do we have the slug test? Do we have the views? 0.
Yeah.
Well, then increment.
What?
Ah. Okay.
No, it broke.
Now it broke.
Wait, what? I don't get this.
I don't even get this, but I think we should like specify views is 0, dude.
Is it? Oh my god!
It's
that's
like-
why. That's. I was gonna say yeah. So it skips if it's over 0.
Well,
I mean, but it shouldn't increment. Yeah.
yeah, but the thing is the. Okay,
Oh man, this is bad.
it's painful. Okay, so let's see. Views are 0, slug is tests, and this will return false because views is 0. If we were to do or,
Why don't you do?
it will be test because it
Yeah,
exists, right?
but why don't you check if views is a number and maybe?
But it always is a number,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
All right, so this is gonna be. I know what to do.
Is validating?
No,
Yeah.
it's loading. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna cut this. We are going to return either the views or possibly undefined.
Yeah.
So when we get this, it should work. But then these views will be views, right?
Yeah. Let's try it like this.
Let's try it. I think it might work. Because we return 0 and, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, see?
Yeah.
Do it again.
Why is it doing this?
Let's just. Yeah, goddamn. But the thing is, it's like. Yeah, instead of doing views like this, we should say.
It's not
It's
undefined.
not undefined because 0 is a valid
Yeah,
number.
yeah, it's a valid number.
But in the context of comparison, 0
Yeah,
is
yeah.
false. So let's just reload.
That's so weird.
And just don't hang up on me, man.
Okay.
We didn't place the.
Okay.
All right now.
Now it should increment.
All right
Come-
now.
Come on, man. So this is the get, I think. Oh, it's cached, yeah. Oh,
Let's see.
I think it's still fetching.
No,
it.
this is the options. Go on.
I think it's gonna. Is it gonna repeat?
How many times are you gonna like send it? A million times?
Yeah, I think we're doing the same thing. Where
And also we have the. God damn it. All right, you know what?
it's just yeah.
Dry run.
Time to get some views.
Time to get some views, guys.
Yeah, let's.
Let's beef up some views. And there we go again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why is it doing this?
It changes it. So data.views. Okay, so the mutate thing, I guess the mutate thing changes
Is-
this and it updates the data. So we go back in
Mhm.
our slug.
Yeah.
So this changes, right? And it's not undefined, so it does the increment again.
And
So
again
the
and
mutate
again.
changes the data, so we go back, and that's the
Yeah,
loop
the
hole here.
loop.
But
How do we do this?
what if we were to do this, right? So
Use state
if we just set it to
number. Re-render all day. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
if we were to set this a number or undefined,
Okay.
we will return the views as such.
Mhm.
We will use effect here based on those views.
Yeah.
And if the views, not really the views, the data, right?
The data. Yeah.
If the data exists, then we'll do set views data.views, right?
Hmm.
What is this now?
You
Oh,
I don't. You
don't
haven't
have it.
imported it. Yeah.
Use effects.
Let's check it out.
Right, so when it's like when the data comes, it'll set this to 0.
Yeah.
It'll be undefined, and then we'll set it to 0. And then the increment might happen. The mutate might happen, and it will.
It
But
will.
we need like a way to break this up, man. God damn it.
Yeah.
Mutate, but like don't. Because this use effect, I think, is going to just
Yeah.
keep
It's gonna
spinning,
loop.
you know?
Yeah.
it'll just keep spinning.
We're going to the same problem. If data set views data. This mutate is really.
I think we should not be basing our API call based on the views, man. Like, why are we even, right?
Yeah.
We just want the slug.
Yeah. The views are just gonna re-render. But if
But
we.
then we do data.views here in the increment,
Mm-hmm.
right? So we do want that little gap. Because we're getting the views.
Yeah.
We're using those views.
And then we're.
Yeah, I think. That's the.
But why doesn't this? No, I mean, never mind. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, look, we're basing this effect based on the data, which also gets mutated
Yeah.
on
it's-
page load.
It's
So
always gonna like
these two are gonna like
go crazy.
go crazy. So this will trigger this,
Yeah.
and then I guess nothing. And then I guess nothing because the set views is not going to actually trigger that.
Oh.
Because if
yeah.
it's 0 and then we set it again to 0, it will not re-render.
Oh yeah, because. This,
And
this
the-
actually makes.
And the data will actually not change, dude. So okay, so I think we might be up to something here.
Let's just
onto
remove the
something.
27 views. Yeah.
27 units, I don't need that. It's like way too
Yeah.
low. Localhost 3000.
Come on, this is the one.
Just give it, man. Give it to us. Go to network. We only want to see 2 views and nothing more.
This is the time.
Go.
Okay.
Test.
200. Oh my. Ah.
God. Like how? We do set views? Oh, dude, but yeah, I mean, this thing again. Slug and but yeah, exactly, views. It shouldn't trigger it because the views is like.
Yeah.
I'm getting tired, man. Let's think this again.
Okay.
Don't we like? What are we? This is only for the mutate, right?
Dude, I think I know.
Because this is the optimistic.
Yeah.
So why don't we like?
Why do we have re-render?
Let's just ditch the optimistic thing, man.
Yeah.
Right? And let's also ditch this thing, right?
These.
And let's also ditch this thing, right?
And just.
And we'll do
data.
views equals data dot views.
Oh my god! If it's.
Or 0, like let's just make it 0,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So when we go back, we don't need to base this on the 0. We just want to fetch the
when we have the slug
and goddamn increment this. Let's try it again.
9 views.
So without any,
we got it. We got it.
we have to get it. We have to be gotten it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
We have to post it.
Go and post it only once, please.
Come on.
Tests JSON data. Tests.
Oh my god, it worked.
No, it's actually the get,
Oh
right?
yeah.
So we are like waiting for
Yeah.
the
Slug and it just
slug,
Wasn't
and
post.
it did nothing, right? It
What?
does the increment
because
there's no data, dude.
yeah,
But we don't need the data as well. Just
dude,
do
Slice
just like
slice it.
there we go.
Nice.
So this is the get, and it's cached. This is the post, and there's another get.
because we updated the. I think.
Check this out.
Yeah, dude.
This is the truth here.
Yeah. Oh my god.
And if we reload,
It should be 2.
it should be 2.
Okay. Nice. Oh my god. This looks so smooth with
Yeah,
the
bye guys.
count up.
I'm done here.
Yeah. Oh my god. It looks so good. I love it. Let's do it one more time.
Yeah, I mean, actually, we don't actually need
The optimistic.
because we have the counter. Check it out, man. Check it out.
Clip this. Clip this.
We are going to clip this.
Yeah. That was such an like. I thought we were gonna do it like.
Yeah, I mean, like we started off copying code. And
Yeah.
don't actually
This
think
is-
about reading
Yeah.
it, you know.
Yeah, this is a lesson to all you guys.
Rookie
Don't
mistake.
copy code.
Yeah, don't just copy and expect.
But
it
now
to
we have
work.
3 views.
Goddamn. Okay, cool. We got 3 views, and these are
I'm so happy.
semi-truthful. I mean,
Yeah.
I've seen it 3 times.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. I'm just gonna keep the.
Yeah,
I'll just,
the-
like, do
the
this
inspect.
instead. So
Yep.
check this out.
Exactly, Sam.
Right? Okay, it's just the
It's
get.
just yeah.
Okay, cool. It's just a get.
Nice.
All right, guys, cool. Okay, we got the views. We
Yeah.
didn't get to do the likes, but we got the infrastructure. We got pretty much everything.
Yeah.
And also, guys, are you kidding me? Like PlanetScale.
Yeah. Ship it.
Dude, yeah, we are going to ship it, but first I need to set up the environment variables on Vercel.
Yeah.
Now let's do that.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm gonna hide my monitor again.
Yeah.
'Cause I don't want you guys
Cell has like
pumping the views with the script. I want you guys pumping the views by
with
hand.
actual
So, where are we? Environment variables, right? So this is where we keep the
Yeah.
environment variables. And which awesome person suggested that?
Yeah, Aaron, you're a legend, man.
I don't know, man. Someone from Ireland, probably.
Yeah, and this way we don't even need the loading state. If we didn't use this component, we would need a loading state, I think. So this is amazing, dude.
Yeah, no loading states.
Yeah.
It does get updated, like.
Exactly.
Right, so what do we need? We need the database URL, and we don't need the shadow, right? That's
Yeah.
just for like. This
Yeah.
is just the database URL.
Can you show the animation? Yeah, zoom in so they can see it.
Check it out. I mean, this is going to trigger a new view, but guys,
Yeah.
I mean, like, come on, you're like, how many people are watching? 5,
Yeah. What's this animation?
and we have like 4
4.
views, right? It deserves another refresh because we're like 5 plus you 6,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So we are still you're
5.
all seeing this.
Yeah.
So it considers as a view, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah. So
Nice.
basically, that's like it starts from 0 and.
Dude, I'm so happy we made this.
Yeah, dude. All right. So we need the database URL, right?
Mhm.
So I'm gonna hit the lights
Yeah.
for now, so I can do my magic here. Let's see. Let's
Yeah.
connect with
Yeah.
Prisma, and this is the URL.
think you need a new password though.
No.
Oh yeah, you keep the password.
Yeah, so I'm just going to place it here. You're not looking.
It's all stars, guys.
Prisma, Planet.
Yeah, exactly.
So I'm just gonna. I only need the passwords, right? So I'm gonna replace the stars with the actual password.
Yeah.
I'm going to copy this string.
Don't save it. Yeah.
I'm going to go to Vercel and add it as the actual value.
Yeah. And just add it.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
We can see it, but I'm going to copy this database URL.
And put it in the.
Now let's go back to the coding. Sorry, guys. Here we have the database URL set.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. Environment variables. We only need the database URL. Probably. We don't need the shadow. If we do, I'll make it work.
Yeah. But I don't think we need.
All right. So integrate PlanetScale. Right?
Yeah.
Let's push this. What do we?
Wait.
We don't want to push the dot next. All right.
Oh yeah, it's not here.
We don't want to do that, right?
And that's it.
Source is
Source
okay.
is
Public is okay.
okay.
Prisma, everything here is okay. Next
Environment is
okay.
not getting pushed. But yeah.
All right.
Nice.
Cool. All right, guys. Let's
check it out.
Come on,
Yeah.
that DS store. Now we. God damn it.
Yeah, I added DS store as well. Oh.
Git ignore. Everywhere that we can see DS underscore store. So if you go here, it's gone. All right, what do we do? Yarn lock ts config package JSON git ignore
migration
Prisma migrations. Definitely,
Yeah.
we need
Definitely
them. We
need them.
Right, so that's it, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah. Just commit
Integrating
message.
integrating
PlanetScale.
scale with Prisma and adding blog post views.
Yeah.
Nice. So I'm gonna push this. Right,
Dude, I love programming so much.
dude. All right, so let's go to GitHub. God. Lazar.
Yeah, personal website.
Personal webo. And we can see that I have pushed this. Beautiful.
And now we create a pull request.
we create a pull request. I'm not going to write anything.
Yeah.
I just want to see Vercel's bot here. There we go.
Yep.
Right?
And now it's in progress, but
It's still in progress. It's still in progress, but the moment we merge it,
Yeah.
it should go to done.
Okay.
But check this out. I mean, likes and reads. That's actually
Yeah,
in
the
progress
reads
as well, but we'll just push
Yeah.
it back to done.
PR's incoming.
Okay.
Nice. So
like, let's just merge it. We don't need to wait for it. Yeah. Just merge this.
nice. So let's see.
Reload. Ha! It
This save, I guess.
maybe because I touched that. And delete the branch.
Yeah, maybe it needs.
Had error being deployed.
Oh, maybe. So it's there.
Type expected.
Oh, this.
Prisma detected that your TypeScript is 4.8 is outdated 410 or newer. Okay, so we need to push on main. Right, so we need to get this package.json instead of
But wait.
4.0. We want to update it to
4.1?
4.1, yeah. 432 to be compatible with Next.js. All right, let's do 432. What's the latest? 443? 443. Yeah.
Let's do the latest.
443.
Yeah, and
Let's do like yarn
4, yeah.
You heat them. Let's do yarn there. Let's see what happens.
What?
Go on, minimum. Oh, sorry.
Oh
yarn.
yeah, we haven't installed it exactly.
And the excitement is like so big. We're missing some crucial stuff. Okay, yarn. I'm gonna do yarn build this time. Okay.
Yeah. So
we got the
simulate-
environment variable, everything.
Okay.
Dude, I actually love this with the planet scale. So we have our own little port here open. We don't need any passwords or everything.
Upgrade JavaScript our boy too. Yeah.
TS art boy.
Yeah, it didn't show that error. It should have shown. Yeah, to TypeScript art boy, art master.
Sorry, yeah. And I wanna get something like a chocolate or anything.
Yeah.
Like I'm going down. I think we should be good. Yeah.
Yeah.
No ESLint configuration.
Yeah.
And run next lint to begin setup. We do want that lint, right?
Yeah.
Let's do that. npx next lint because we do have a push, so why not have strict pace recommended.
Yeah. That's it. I think there's gonna be some linters.
Yeah,
maybe there shouldn't
like
be. Yeah.
Can turn out to be a bad idea. We'll see.
Nice.
Okay.
Yeah, it's updating some packages. I mean, it's probably adding the lint. Okay, there we go.
Okay, cool. Again, yarn build because we don't want to see the linting errors in production.
Yeah, dude. From 9 a.m.
Yeah. It's like, goddamn. I mean, streaming on a work day is...
Yeah, it's hell.
It's hell, yeah.
But...
I mean, we did get hyped up, right?
Yeah, especially when
yeah.
when the post. But I think next stream will be Saturday or Sunday.
Saturday or Sunday. I'm thinking Sunday. Yeah, see?
Oh, yeah.
As a missing dependency URL. Either include it or remove the
Oh, yeah.
dependency
So...
array from the video cards.
Yeah, dude, there's gonna be some errors with the dependency arrays.
Yeah, see here.
Oh, yeah.
Because we get the URL here. From the props. I mean, it's always...
yeah.
Shouldn't actually made any changes.
Alt prop
Image.
all.
Oh, goddamn. Yeah.
Yeah.
Again.
Accessibility.
Accessibility.
This
So
is
what do we have? We have the title. So we'll do...
video. Yeah.
we'll do title. Video cover.
Yeah.
Video cover? No.
Uh,
We'll just do thumbnail of...
yeah. Okay.
Nice. Okay, we
Gotta
got that
love
one down.
accessibility.
Tool cards. Exact same thing.
Yeah,
right?
exactly same thing.
So, alt would be
Tool.
thumbnail of title.
Yeah. And
No use effect here.
no use effect.
Missing key prop.
Oh,
Where?
that's bad.
78 and 90. Oh, dude. Okay.
Oh yeah, we need to put
Yeah,
the
we
key
need
on
the
the
key
upper
here.
component.
What do we... We'll just do
I.
but it might still break. Because I is the index.
Yeah.
Let's...
Oh, it works.
Hey! Dicky man, how's it going, man?
How are you doing, man?
Right, so again,
Yeah,
key is key.
This is in the MDX components.
Yeah, we just
Yeah.
imported these without even thinking. Hero image. Alt.
Oh yeah, this is like the...
Why did we forget to do the alts?
I'm not sure. I guess logo?
Lazarus.
Uh,
Profile.
Oh yeah, profile.
This is the hero image,
The GIF.
Profile photo. What else?
Gear card.
Just give it to me. Alright. Alt text.
So this
should
is...
be title. Let's just do title.
Yeah.
Let's just do title.
Yeah, I think that's
same
just
thing
in the
in the
blog.
blog slug. We already had that. Pages blog slug. Where are we?
Oh yeah, so now we need to import
Increment.
increment. I think we should...
It's not going to be changed.
Yeah,
Because it's like a static method. We already created it and then we return it immediately. So it's not really something that can change. What else?
Some imagine.
Something happened here, guys.
Yeah.
See that?
Oh.
Yarn build.
Failed to come. I think that was the last.
Right, so let's do
build
yarn build again.
This has been a really productive stream, man. I'm so happy.
Yeah, I mean, we are running on fumes here.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I like what we did now.
And on Sunday or Saturday, we'll charge our batteries and just implement the likes. Yeah.
Yeah, someone ship me some chocolate, guys.
Yeah, I think it's gonna build now.
It better. Well,
Yeah.
it didn't actually produce any linting errors.
Oh man. Yeah, we can deploy it on Vercel, and by tomorrow we'll have like 500 views.
Yeah. At most.
Yeah.
Not at all. Not at most. That was
At-
like the,
At least.
at least.
Yeah.
At least 500 views, guys.
Yeah, and some chakra.
There
There
we
we
go.
go.
So, okay, let's just push it. Added linting. Linting plus fixed lint errors, right? Plus
updated TypeScript.
TypeScript version.
Let's go.
Fly,
Ship it.
fly, my boo. All right, let's see.
Now it should build.
We didn't actually do any chakra. That's true. What is Buddy's name? You guys are good together. This is Andre.
Yeah.
This is actually Andre, dude.
Yeah.
You know Andre, right? You should know. I think you should know Andre.
Yeah.
You guys worked a bit, yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's see, guys.
One of the interns. Yeah.
Upcoming. There we go. Added linting plus.
Andrew the Giant, exactly.
Andre. Oh, looking hard. Thanks for the follow.
Thanks for the follow.
Who got the gift? To DJ. Oh, Jale. Oh,
Jale.
nice. Diggy, thank you so much for chocolate.
Yeah.
Chocolate money.
I think there's some in the fridge.
I'm gonna be back, guys.
Yeah. We'll get the chocolate. So Prisma is generating. It's building. And I think it should be done now. Validity of types. It's still building.
Oh boy, the last one.
Yeah.
All right. Let me get my sugar level to a normal level. You want some?
Yeah, sure.
Come on.
There we go.
Nice.
I think it's finishing up.
Guess we don't need the socket anymore.
Yeah. Think it's done? No.
Should change the state. Okay, there we go.
Nice.
Nice. So let's check it out. Right? We want to check it out. Okay. Blog.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
Can we check the network? Yeah, I think those dependency arrays are not set right.
God damn it, man. It's like, don't view it, guys. Don't.
Yeah, just you can ignore the ESLint.
Yeah.
I think we should do that.
God damn it, man. I was like so close.
Yeah.
It felt like we had it. We should have just checked it, like at least. Checked
Well.
it. All right. Let's start from the beginning. All right. Wait a minute, dude. Increment. Okay, increment. Yeah.
Can you check it out locally?
Don't clip it. I need more chocolate.
Get it.
Come on, man. Come on, work. I'll give you chocolate.
Yeah, I probably want some chocolate. Let's go.
Sources. To actually see what changed.
Yeah. But I know.
No,
Oh,
sorry.
you're. I think yeah.
I need to get inside first and then check the slug. I got you.
Yeah, dude. I think increment is getting called a lot of times.
Increment is good, yeah.
Yeah. So remove this. I'll tell you how.
We'll just do like the
ignore.
DS ignore.
Yeah, because
Not a good way, man.
Yeah.
But why does it get like recreated? Wait a minute.
Oh yeah.
How about this? Then we base this on the slug, so the slug doesn't change, and we don't actually need to. We can safely do the increment here. Okay.
Let's see
if
I think this is the best solution.
that changes anything.
I think it should.
Because we'll have the first increment is due. Do we have the slug test?
Yeah. So
the slug doesn't
nice.
change.
Oh my god, 29 views, man.
29 views.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
That was a really smart. Yeah.
I think we got. Let's check out the other pages, man. We did some changes there.
Yeah.
I mean, mostly in the alt. What am I doing?
Yeah.
Mostly here in the alt images.
Yeah, but I don't think.
How does it look like? Okay, this is the box overlay.
Oh wait.
Here's the aspect ratio. Here's the div, and here's the image. Thumbnail. Of Design versus Dev Challenge #1 chat app. Okay.
Nice.
Oh boy.
And this is what happens in production, man.
Yeah. All right. I think we got it, guys. I think we got it fixed. Blog post increment loop. Giggity. Yeah. All right. Instead of just ignoring it, we will use use callback, base it on the slug, so the slug never changes. It does only once, right? But then the use callback, the actual reference of the increment, is going to be the same.
Yeah, this is actually a good solution. I've ignored it on other projects, but yeah, using callback is really
you can
smart.
like fix it now.
Yeah.
Okay. For sale.
Yeah.
More chocolate, guys. I think I'm getting a headache as well, but yeah. I'm used to headaches by now.
It's building. And this music is like suspenseful as well. It's like, yeah. We're launching a rocket. Yeah. Use chocolate.
Use chocolate.
The best hook. There we go. Build the pages. Trace that. Yeah.
I heard that hook actually fattens up your app.
Yeah.
Makes your app
your
really
project.
fat.
I think it's done.
No, it's still
no,
building.
it's still building it. Headache
Hit a crew, yeah, dude.
Come on, man.
Guys.
Visit it.
Network. Not you. All right.
Okay, there's
Stay there.
2 requests. Fetch. Oh.
No, it's cool.
Okay, yeah,
Cool,
yeah.
cool.
Nice.
So
30
let's
views.
see.
So this is the first get, then it posts, then it
and
gets.
then another get because it re-renders.
Yeah. This
And
is
that's it.
perfect. Yeah.
There's another get, but it's 304.
So that means
it
it's
returns from
cached.
the cache.
Yeah. So this is not an actual request.
Yeah, this is how SWR works.
Yeah.
If we go like, it has a time, right? So if we go back, you see switching from
Yeah,
the tabs
yeah.
will actually revalidate the cache.
Yeah, you can actually disable this in the option. There's an option called revalidate on focus. Yeah, but I don't think it's a big deal. Yeah,
It's cache anyway.
yeah,
right?
it's cache.
Okay,
That's
I
about
think
it.
we've come to the end. Let's
Yeah,
see.
be sure to send them the link so they can pump up some views.
Yeah, of course, man.
I don't know why the link is like.
It's that
It's
now. I
the
mean, you
build
get
one.
like 3 links
Yeah,
for this project.
yeah. Just go click the visit. I think.
This guy,
Yeah.
Sigma Lovat.
Nice.
Here's the link, guys. Go pump it up. Let's see now. We have 30 views. 31 because of me.
Yeah.
Just like.
Let's
just
see
did that.
how it like.
Let's wait for like a 5 minute, like 1, 2, 3 minutes,
Yeah.
and check it out again.
See how it handles traffic.
I can't wait. Let's just like refresh.
So it should be 32. Okay.
32. Okay, so no one saw it. But yeah, and until they get to the. Guys, tell me when you actually.
Wait, is it gonna
Open
get
it.
updated once the view has been added, like lifetime, or maybe not?
No, we don't have that.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe for example, if we did this
No.
because
Yeah.
of the revalidation.
Yeah, I get you. How the laser work, but is
What,
it the
this
title?
one?
Maybe it doesn't work.
Wait a minute. Let's just see.
Oh no,
Yeah, there we go.
you should add like a laser button. 33.
All right, so
No, it's
Is it?
working. No, maybe it was.
maybe we should like 35 now. 34. Okay. It's like anyone.
Yeah, let's.
Is this cached?
Maybe.
35. No, it's like 200. I mean, it actually gets the S36.
Yeah.
Americanize your name.
Yeah. Aaron, have you like opened the blog? Yeah.
Yeah, 2000 rights.
Oh my god, it's
Yeah, but
probably
it's more
because
for the
yeah.
2000s loops.
Oh man, use effect is a powerful tool.
Yeah. It was Twitch overtaking my audio. Oh, you mean the? Oh, you mean this thing?
Oh. Oh, so Sam has been spamming as well. Let's...
Okay.
Oh.
Dude,
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, okay.
it works.
Yeah.
Okay, we did the job.
Nice job. Thanks a lot, guys.
All right, let's go get paid now.
Yeah.
Guys,
Ship it.
awesome. We pushed
Oh,
this.
man.
I think this is like in okay. We'll keep the planet scale. I mean, technically it's done, right?
Yeah.
We need to do the post likes
Yeah.
first, and then we can, I guess, close this because we're still in the planet scale integration.
Yeah.
Right. And then we can proceed with the this is going to be like a fixed page.
Yeah.
Fixed page as well. We'll use Airtable's API for this.
Yeah.
And there's this little task implement payment holder. I also have that on my
Payment
current
pointer, yeah.
page. Yeah, it's like the thing for some crypto or stuff like that. You don't pay
Oh
it,
yeah,
you
yeah,
just
yeah.
like-
I know.
Let's see, payment.
Yeah.
Payment. Was it like?
I think on Brave you can actually like.
Yeah. But it should be in the head somewhere. Monetization.
Yeah.
There we go. So we just need to add,
Yeah, you're
This
adding
thing,
the
and then
uphold
that's it, yeah.
wallet. Yeah. Okay.
and basically that's it. Yeah.
Nice.
Awesome. Yeah, we'll just do this in some of the next streams, and that's it, guys. Yeah, let's just clean up here, and we can just call it a day, right? Yeah. Thanks so much, guys, for staying with us.
Appreciate
This
it a
was-
lot.
Yeah, this was like pretty productive. Yeah,
Yeah.
we did some stuff. We gotta get some rest.
Yeah, exactly.
That's it, man. That's it. All right. Yeah. Next stream Sunday, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who can tune in, watch us? We'll continue with the likes,
Okay.
and then we'll do some UI work as well, right? We'll do the like button. We can place it at the bottom of every blog page.
Yeah.
Blog posts. So we'll do pretty much the same, but it's going to be likes instead of views. Awesome.
Okay.
Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, let's
See you in
call
a
it
bit.
day.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.